Wait, ClickFunnels has a 30-day trial? I've been using the 14-day one like an idiot. Before I dive into this revelation that just blew my mind, make sure you click the link in the description below to grab your special discount. Trust me, you'll want this. So here's what happened. I've been scrambling through ClickFunnels trials like I'm on some kind of game show timer, frantically trying to build funnels in 2 weeks. Turns out, there are actually 2 different trial options, and most people don't even know about the longer one. The standard trial everyone talks about is 14 days. But ClickFunnels 2.0 also offers a 30-day trial that gives you literally double the time to actually figure out if this thing works for your business. Think about it. 14 days means you're basically speed running your way through learning a completely new platform. That's like trying to learn to drive in 2 weeks and then deciding if you want to buy a car. With 30 days, you can actually build multiple funnels, test different strategies, and see real results. You're not just playing around, you're actually running experiments. The catch? The 30-day option isn't always front and center on their pricing page. You've got to know where to look. So here's your move. Click that link in the description right now to access the extended trial, plus that special discount I mentioned. Your future self will thank you for not rushing this decision. Bonus tip: you've also got a 30-day money-back guarantee. That's 44 days risk-free. If you want the longer trial and discount, click the link in the description now. Like, subscribe, and I'll see you inside ClickFunnels.